Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Before I get started, I want to show you guys the dried results of my diptych with my, look at, so it's not varnished yet. I haven't gotten around to it. I probably won't get around to it for a while. But look at that. Holy cow. I'm loving that dark purplish blue color. So this is the one panel, super shimmery. Love, love, love it. And then the other panel also has that awesome, but this one goes all the way across. So how cool did this turn out? I'm so stoked. And with the 2 coats of varnish on here, it is going to look amazing, just amazing. So these are, I believe, 11 by 14 inches. They are still available for anyone who is interested in purchasing these or this piece. Please email me. My email is in the description below. So if you're interested in this, email me. Let me know. All right, so that is that. I will put these aside. And we are working tonight on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. You may have seen my video number 154, I believe, the one where I did the green and purple. It was a commissioned piece by a lovely viewer by the name of Amy. And Amy loved it so much that she wants another one. But this time she just was very specific. She wants kind of like a Mardi Gras theme. So again, she wants only metallics. So she was very simple. She said metallic green, which is what I have. Metallic green by Artist Loft. I have metallic purple by Artist Loft. And then, of course, my 24 karat gold by ColourArte. Now I have them in the cups because they are metallic colors. They are thicker. So I've put them in the cups. I've just squirted the paints from my squeeze bottles. I've squirted them here in the cups and just added a little extra water. Just because they are so thick, I want them to move more freely on the canvas. So I do have them already pre-mixed, but I didn't want to add water to these. I may down the road, but for now I'm just going to leave it as is. So yeah, I'm going to use just those 3 colors because that's what Amy wants. So I'm going to use those 3. I'm going to do another Dutch pour for her and it'll match her other piece. So I will just take some time to flood the canvas. And you don't need to see me do that, so I'll be right back, guys. I'm back. Okay, so I have flooded my canvas with my white paint, which is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, Floetrol, and water. If you want to know how I mix my paints and the ratios for all my squeeze bottles, check out video number 63. I'll link it up here in the top. Click on that link and there is a full tutorial on my ratios. All right, I'm going to pop all the bubbles and take that little hair out. Okay, so it is important to pop all the bubbles because if you don't pop them and then you do your pour, the bubbles will eventually pop and then you'll have these little white specks of paint. You know, people in the art world call them measles because they look like white specks. So you want to make sure you get those all off the canvas and out of the paint. All right, so we are going to start with the metallic green, and hopefully I made enough of this. All right, perfect. I might as well just use it all up. So I will do another quick, no sense in wasting, just get it all out. Okay, So that is that. Next, we have the metallic purple. I wonder if I should put the gold first and then the purple. Yeah, you know what? I always tend to put gold last. I'm going to put it in the middle now. I really don't know if it makes much of a difference, but that is what I'm going to do. So gold. Okay. And purple. So let's see here. All right. I don't really have much to say today. Usually I've got a ton of things to say, but things have been pretty quiet around here. And I got a JUNO hair. You gotta love this dog. He's everywhere, but I love him. Okay. If you guys want to check out JUNO's YouTube videos, check out his channel. The link is listed in the description below. Please subscribe to his channel. I would love it if you did. Check him out because I'd love to see his channel grow. Okay, that is all down. I am going to pop the bubbles real quick. And this is looking super neat. All right, let's blow it out and see what comes of this piece. So this is much lighter than my original piece, which was much darker. So I'm actually liking it because they are they're the same colors, but they're not both dark. One is light, one is dark. And I'm really liking this right here a lot. And there's some color hidden under here. And I'm going to blow on it just a bit, but not too much because I don't want to disturb these cells going on over here. So let's see what's hiding. That's what's hiding. You can always tell when there's paint hiding underneath because you could just see it. Yeah, that's so pretty. This is so nice. All right. I am liking it just the way it is. I'm going to torch just these two petals here on the edges because every other petal has some really nice color and some really nice cells to it. So I'm just going to torch these just a bit and just this one up here. And that is it. I am done and I'm loving it. This is really pretty. Guys, I'm telling you, this 24 karat gold by ColourArte is like magic paint in a bottle. And I'll show you why. The shimmer it gives, even a shimmery layer of, it's like a dusting on top and it looks stunning. So let me bring you guys down for a close-up and I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, guys, so let's see if I can show you this little dusting that I'm talking about. Do you see how it shines right here? So it's definitely got like a little layer of shimmer, like even right, hold on, I gotta see, right there. You can see, there you go. It's like kind of like a little dusting, like I took some powder and just sprinkled it on top. It's really neat, and that's why I'm really loving this 24 karat gold. It's so pretty. So check out how awesome this looks. Again, look at that shimmer. Very pretty. So while you're looking at this, feel free to check out all the links in my description below. Everything you can find or need is in the description below. My links to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Look how pretty that is. JUNO's YouTube channel. You know, if you want the Lowly Veffy silicone mat, which is hiding under here because it's just, I'm doing video backs to back to back, and I just don't have the time to clean after every video. So unfortunately, you know, I have to do this plastic cover for now because I've been doing literally back to back videos. I have paintings drying all over the floor. You have no idea. But yeah, so check out everything in the description below, guys. My PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate. You know, I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps me buy supplies, paints, you know, that kind of stuff, so I can continue doing these tutorials for you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Amy, sweetheart, this one's for you. Let me know what you think. And that's it, guys. Really quick and short video, which is a first or second for me. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I don't think I forgot anything. This one's not for sale because it's for Amy. Amy, you lucky gal. Here's another one for you. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.